Skiptracing. Everyone likes to be cheap. So let's show you guys today how to skip trace your leads for free. Hey guys, how's it going? Zach Ginn, Flip with Rick here. I'm gonna show you exactly how to skip trace for free. Again, it's not gonna be an easy one, but it does require a little bit of sweat equity per se, but you can skip trace your leads for absolutely free. And it's a cool one if you got like 4 or 5 leads that you got and you're just trying to get those phone numbers real quick to get a quick phone call. You know, let's say you're driving and you see this completely dilapidated property and you're like, oh my gosh, I need to call this person as soon as possible. And I don't want to go to batch leads really quick. I just want to go on my phone real quick, pop up a free one and just go crazy. Again, you can, let's quit this. I mean, if you want to exit out this video, just go to GoKnock.com/Zach. You can get 50 free skip traces for that. But that's not what I'm talking about. This is completely free skip tracing. No gimmicks, no signups, just website. Let me show you right now. I hate to waste your time. YouTube really prefers me doing like 20-minute videos, but this is more of a hack and a guide. So let's go on the computer real quick and let me show you how to skip trace a lead for free. Okay guys, I know my lighting's really bad on this, but you know, the real information here is with the free skip tracing. So let's go and let's look into how to actually find someone's phone number for free. You can do this with a big list, I guess, but it's really time intensive. It's not worth it paying a VA for this, just ROI-wise. So just go to batch leads if you want to do like a bigger one. But overall, if you need to do like just a decent tinier list, maybe 10, 15, this is a pretty good one. So let's go find someone's phone number for free. So what we want to do is we can either do someone's name and find their city, or we can actually go and do a reverse address one and look from there. So let's just do it by name here. So John Smith, and let's just do Port St. Lucie here. And let's search it. Again, I don't want to go after people's names. I don't want to go after too many people. So if you're John Smith living in Port St. Lucie, I'm really sorry. But we just literally go here. There's a lot of John Smiths here. So we know John Smith, he's 50, and he lives in Stuart, Florida, but he used to live in PSL. So we search this one, John Michael Smith, and we have his address here, and then we have these phone numbers. So what I can do is just grab my handy phone here and then go call, and go have a conversation with them. So that's actually how you find someone's phone number with True People Search. Is actually giving me the best results. White Pages is a pretty good one too, but overall I do prefer True People Search just for a free one. So what we can do here is we can actually go to the reverse address. So let's go after this guy. I'm sorry, John Michael Smith, but let's go over here and search reverse address. So if I go, just pop that one on here, Ontario Way, Stuart, Florida. If I search that right here, I'll pop up John Michael Smith, and it looks like maybe a possible last tenant or a girlfriend. So we can search here, John Michael Smith. Maybe that's a tenant I want to get a hold of. So we actually go back here. We can look here. So we go after Melissa. So that's probably maybe a tenant, and we can go after him and talk to him. So guys, that is actually how you go and find someone's phone number for free. Again, you can go to batch leads and go pay for it, but only if you have like 10 to 15. Why don't you go after it? So let's say you have a tenant you want to go after, get their phone number, maybe you want to text them, maybe you just had a weird, maybe you go to reverse phone here and someone just gave you a text. Let's say you got a text from this number and you didn't know who from. Maybe you go here and search it, and then you click search. Oh, got to do the human test, right? And I'll pop that up. So potentially if you pop up someone and you get a text from someone you don't know, this is always a good just tool to use in business, really. So if you have a tenant, want to talk to a seller, get a hold of somebody, this is the best one to do it. If you're running an agency or a business, and just in general entrepreneurship and try to find someone, this is a really good one too. So this is how you find someone's phone number for free. So that's it guys. That's how you find someone's phone number for absolutely free in real estate investing. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you like this video, this was a quick one, but please like and subscribe. We've got some longer ones too. So thank you guys so much. Have a good one.